guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on real quick today and show you a flip through of a flip book that I'm making. I just have the base of the book done and I haven't done any decorating really on it yet. So that'll be coming this week. So if you're interested in seeing that process, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I put those videos out. But the collection that I used is called Fresh Picked, and it is by Photoplay. It's a little bit older collection, maybe from 2017, but the person that I'm doing the book for is really into Farmhouse and gingham, so I thought this was the perfect collection for her. It's got a lot of florals, some plaids. I love like the chickens on it, obviously the gingham, some lace looking paper, and like some vintage tea sets or china here. I do have some of the stickers left from the sticker pages, and I do have some cut prints left, so I'll be using those to embellish the book as we go along here. So the tutorial that I followed was from Craftpurge, and she had two parts. The first part was building the base of the book, which consists of basically two 8.5 by 11 pages, one for the back and one for the inner pages. And then the second is just putting down what she did, put down the base papers for her her flip book. So on mine, I started with this floral in the background, and I went ahead and I did like a gold stitching around the edges, and then I did 2 additional layers on top of that with some tulle also. So the tulle I had wasn't wide enough to cover the entire front, so I had to stitch 2 pieces together to make the shaker pocket. But this will be covered with words and stickers and dimensions, so you're not going to be able to see that when it's all said and done. So again, I used gold thread on there to sew that all together to create the shaker pocket. On the spine, I used a wood grain paper, and I added a grommet up here, and I'll be adding either a tassel or a charm or something here. I'm not quite sure yet. I did make a charm. Let me see if I can find it. So I did make this beaded charm used with a lot of wood beads that I thought would be perfect with it. But how I attached it with this jump ring or this key ring, it didn't stay on very well. I actually tried to thread this through the grommet, and that didn't work. So I'm thinking maybe if I just tied it on with some string, it would be better. But I thought the colors worked really well. So if I don't end up using this, I might just send this along with her, with a package to give to her as just an added bonus if I decide to use a tassel there. So the back is just a chicken print, which I think is super cute. So the front, inside of the front flap, we've got these additional pieces here to hold in either a letter or some embellishments. When I watched the tutorial, she actually used a magnet to keep those closed, but I don't think I have a magnet that's small enough, so I might just end up using some Velcro on there. So I'll put some embellishments in there, some handmade embellishments. This one, I can add embellishments to the page itself, or I can just decorate the page and insert the embellishments into this pocket. So this is a side pocket. And again, I could do the same thing on the back side. I could just, add some homemade embellishments here or just decorate it. Then this is another pocket here, and this one opens from the top. She had a cute little tab at the top that said pull, so you knew that was a pocket because it doesn't really look obvious when you're looking at it. So I'm sure I'll add embellishments here, embellishments obviously in the pocket, maybe some here. And then the back page is a little tuck spot that I made with the wood grain paper. So I'll stick some embellishments in there also. Down the sides, I put washi tape here. It's peeling up a little bit, so I'm not sure if there's something I might do to get that to stick down a little bit better. I just used kind of a real neutral color there. This one seems to be sticking better than the aqua color. But we'll see how that, as I'm building the book out, if it starts to peel off, I'll use something else. I might just use a strip of paper from the collection that I glued down there. So putting this together, I just used my ATG gun. The video I watched, she used the ATG gun along with some liquid glue. I didn't feel the need to do both. It's staying together really well. Yeah, so that is it. That is the base of the book. And I'll be working on both the handmade embellishments and putting it all together this week. So I'd love for you to stick around. If you have any suggestions on homemade embellishments, please link those below. I'd love to know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Bye.